Tingin. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today we'll be starting the conference call with the technical outlook on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty and the discussion on the stock specific trading. After that, you guys will speak on the markets. Then the fundamental team will carry forward the conference call. Now, coming towards the Indian markets, today we are likely to open with a gap of openings and positive momentums can be seen during the day. On the technical front, from the last few trading session, we are witnessing that the Nifty was taking a very strong support of 24,300 levels and shown some sort of a reversal signs and which take a Nifty towards the momentum towards the 20 days moving average. Now going ahead for the today intraday purpose, the first resistance is placed at around 24,700. Any move about that level will see the extension of this positive momentum towards 24,770 to 24,840 levels on the high side. Whereas on downside, the immediate support will lies at around 24,570. Below that level, 24,500 levels can be tested. The outlook on the Nifty will remain a positive as long as Nifty sustains about 24,300 levels, which is acting as a very strong support levels. Coming towards the Bank Nifty, we have seen a very strong retracements into the Bank Nifty in the last 1.5 months. Almost 2,000 points retracement has been seen, and the chart indicates that the Nifty still has very strong support of 55,000 psychological marks and shown us a reversal signs from there onwards. Now, for today, intraday purpose, 55,770 is the first resistance level. Any more about that level will touch the fate of 55,970, 56,200 level, whereas support is placed at around 55,270, whereas our downside 55,000 will act as a crucial psychological support levels. Now, since we are getting a huge gap of openings, pre-markets call will not be initiated. Let the market settle down, and then accordingly we will initiate a buy call. But one can definitely keep an eye on HCL Tech, Tata Motors, Tata Tech. Those are calls we have already initiated. So try to engage on those kind of calls. That's it from my end. I request derivative team to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. On the derivative front, very importantly, 24,500 levels have been crossed above again. There is a small reversal taking place. Now, firstly, if you see the PCR at 24,500 was below 1, which has moved above 1. Also at 24,600, the PCR has moved above 1, which is a positive. Another very important thing is there were huge open interest built up on the call front from 24,500 up to 24,900 levels, which has reduced. We have seen huge liquidation which has happened post the expiry. So definitely now there is scope for further improvement in Nifty, and it can probably move towards that 25,000 levels. With Gift Nifty already about 250 points up, there are chances we'll open around 25,000 levels. Now remains to be seen if this 25,000 call strike witnesses more liquidation. If the liquidation continues, you can see a further move at least up till the 25,500 levels for Nifty in the next couple of days. So yeah, look out for the same. The overall outlook is positive for the next couple of days. VIX also has remained below the 13 odd levels, which is a positive. PCR has shot up above 1. That is good. Only thing is the open interest is high. We are going to see some short covering action today, and open interest should reduce ideally. So let's see how it plays out. But yeah, overall the data is positive. From the stock specific front, autos can probably see a good short covering action. They had seen a lot of shorts lately, and Maruti Hero Motors can probably do well going forward. Also, oil marketing companies, HPCL, BPCL, IOC, they are on the verge of a price volume open interest breakout. So look out for the same. These stocks can probably do well going forward. Yeah, even banking, a lot of shorts were seen in the system. So banks as well can do well. So yeah, look out for the same. So that's it from my side. Like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Yeah, thank you, Nirav. Yeah, good morning, everyone. On the results front, Vodafone Idea had reported numbers in line with the expectations, wherein the revenues grew around 5% year on year and margins moved up 180 pips year on year. On a quarter on quarter basis, revenues and margins remained flat. ARPU came in line at rupees 177. So, outlook for the stock is neutral. Secondly, Zaggle's numbers were also okay. Revenues have grown 31.6% year on year, and margins at 9.2% have shown a 30 bips uptick year on year. Generally, H2 is strong quarter year for the company. So, long term outlook for Zaggle is positive. And we also attended the con call of Vishal Megamart. Company mentioned uptick seen in rural demand post income tax reliefs, and company also has planned to open smaller stores in tier 3 cities and penetrate further into smaller towns. So thus gross margins are expected to remain stable going forward, while operational margins will see uptick. Overall outlook for Vishal Megamart remains positive. That's it from me. Thank you. That's it from the fundamental team. I request Harshal to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Kavita. Good morning, everyone. So, in today's session, we are expecting some profit taking. Pullback in gold is expected till 1 lakh 200, and whereby selling is recommended. One can sell with a stop loss of 1 lakh 500, and on downside 99 800 to 99 500 other levels where one can book profits. Similar silver selling around 1 lakh 14,500 with a stop loss of 1 lakh 15,500, and downside strong supports are held at 1 lakh 13,200 to 1 lakh 12,500. So um, profit booking is expected around these levels. Metals, copper is consolidating, though prices are holding to the support of 880. So one can initiate a buy around 885 with a stop loss of 880. And on upside, 890, 893 are the levels where one can book profits. Zinc to buying on dips, 270, 269.50 with a stop loss of 267.50, and again upside 272 274 are the levels where one should take profits. Crude oil expected to open gap down, though if prices are holding on to 55.30, then there could be some pullback, else expected to test 54.50. And for trading purpose, strictly buy with a stop loss of 53.70, and again pullback till 5500, sorry, 55.50, 55.80, whereby you can book profits. Also can sell around 55.80 with a stop loss of 56.50. And in natural gas too, uh, prices are consolidating, though weak below 255. So one can sell around 255 with a stop loss of 265. And on downside, expected to test 240, 235. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.